Hi everyone. Today's concept is calendars. As you name the exam, one or two questions will come from the calendars. Suppose you're asked to find the day of the week on 30th July, on the week on, let's say, 30th June, okay, 30th June 1974. I'll ask you, the day of the week, what is this particular day? Okay, 30th June 1974 is which day? It would be a tough job to find it if you don't know the method. Okay, so if you know the method, the job is very easy. If you don't know the method, the job is very tough. Okay, so trust me, at the end of the session, you are able to solve every question, by using the method. Okay, so what method we are going to talk about now is very, very important. The method of finding the day of the week, lies in the number of odd days. Okay, lies in the number of what? We use a method called odd days. Okay, we use a method called what? Odd days. And if we go to the method called odd days, you should know what do you mean by odd day. Every seventh day will be the same day if you count twice. That is, let's say if today is Monday, then the seventh day counting from Tuesday onwards will come again be Monday. Odd day is the days remaining after completion of an exact number of weeks. Okay, odd day is the remainder obtained on dividing the total number of days with 7. I am repeating. So if you find the total number of days, okay, total number of days, and if you divide with the 7, that's going to be your odd day. Odd day is remainder obtained by dividing the total number of days with what? 7. So please write down odd days, side heading. Odd day is the number, odd day is the remainder obtained on dividing the total number of days with 7. 7. Okay, let's take an example. Let's say there are 52 days. 52 days. You need to find out how many odd days are there. So if you divide 52 with 7, okay, so, okay, 7 sevens are what? 49. Yes or no? 7 sevens are 49. I left with what, guys? 3. So you can say there are 3 odd days. There are what, guys? 3 odd days. So the point here is very simple. If you guys trust me, if you know the number of odd days, the job is going to be very easy. Okay, so you need to figure it out how many number of odd days are there. Okay, how many number of odd days are there. After that, after the odd days, and you must know two things. What is a leap year and non-leap year? Okay, what is a leap year and non-leap year? Okay, as you know, leap year will consist of how many days? Leap year will consist of 366 days. Non-leap year will consist of 365 days. 365 days. Okay, a non-leap year has 365 days, whereas leap year has one extra day because of 29 days in the month of February. That's why now you will get one extra day. Every year which is divisible by 4 is called leap year. If you want to know any year whether leap year or not, let's say 1994 is a leap year or not, how you going to say? If the number is going to divide with 4, then that year is called to be what? Leap year. If you want to know this is a leap year, yeah, you should know the 4 divisibility rule. What is a 4 divisibility rule? If the last two numbers are going to divide with 4, then the whole number is going to divide with 4. 94 is going to divide with 4. Let's check. 9 2 is 8. One left with, so 94 is an 1994 is not a leap year. So can I say 1992 is a leap year? Let's check with the divide with 4. Last two digits. Okay, so 92 divided with 4. 9 2s are 9 4 9 3s are 12. Yes, so 92 is a leap year. So any year which is divided with 4, that particular year is called what? Leap year. Okay. If it is not dividing with 4, it's simply we can say non-leap year. So you need to understand one more point here. What is a point? What is a point? So a year will consist of how many weeks? A year will consist of how many weeks? So let's divide 360 with 7. Why 7? A week will consist of what? 7 days. Okay, 7 days. Okay, so I can say 7 fives are 35. I left with 1 and 5. 7 twos are 14. I left with what? 1. So here you got 2 points. Here you got 2 points. So a non-leap year will consist of 52 weeks. 52 weeks plus 1 day, plus 1 day. This one extra day is called what? Odd day. This one extra day is called what? Odd day. This one extra day is called what? Odd day. So if I divide 365 with 7, I am getting 52 complete weeks. Okay, and one extra day. So if you divide the same with 366, what you are going to get? You are going to get 52 complete weeks. Okay, plus 2 days extra. Okay, plus 2 days extra. These 2 days are going to be called what? Odd days. These 2 days are going to be what called, guys? Odd days. Odd days. So 52 complete weeks plus 2 extra days. Okay, so here you want to write down one point. Non-leap year will consist of one odd day. These points are very, very important. And leap year, okay, and leap year will consisting of what? 2 odd days. Okay, 2 odd days. So point number 1, what we have learned here. First, the method we are doing is what? Odd days. And after that, how many odd days? How we are going to find out the number of odd days? With dividing with what? 7. If you dividing with 7, you will get number of odd days. Okay. Okay. So dividing with 7, number of odd days. How about the leap year? If you divide with 4, with the year, if the year is going to divide with 4, that year is called what? Leap year. How to check with the leap year? Yeah, it's a 4 divisibility rule. What is a 4 divisibility rule? If the last two digits is going to divide with 4, then the whole number is going to divide with 4. So this is all about finding a leap year. There are so many ways to calculate. Someone will tell you the codes. Remember all these codes. You can do it in 5 seconds, 2 seconds. No, yeah, you can do it, but I don't have that much brain to remember all the codes. Okay, if you forget the codes, you are gone. If you forget the codes, you are gone. So nowadays, remembering something, and if you forget the codes, you are finished. This is a general way of solving. Okay, this is a general way of solving. So you should good with once if you've done 1 or 2 questions, the job is going to be very easy. The job is going to be very easy. Okay, after that, please write down a note. We are learning about leap year and non-leap year. So we need to write 2 points here. Okay, we need to write 2 points. Please write down once again. A non-leap year consists of 365 days. A non-leap year consisting of 365 days. 365 days. Okay, 365 days. 52 complete weeks plus 1 day. 52 complete weeks plus 1 day. The extra 1 day is the odd day. The extra 1 day is the odd day. This is a point number 1. Point number 2. The extra one day is called what? Odd day. Point number 2. Point number 2. Leap year consists of 366 days. Leap year will consist of 366 days, 52 complete weeks, 2 days plus 2 days. The extra 2 days are the odd days. The extra 2 days are the odd days. A leap year has 2 odd days. Leap year has 2 odd days. 2 odd days. Okay. Next. Note. Next note. Every century year, which is a multiple of 400, is a leap year. What do you mean by century year actually? Okay, a century year which is not divisible by 400 is non-leap year. Century years means what? 100 is a century year, 200 is a century year, 300 is a century year. Okay, after every 100 years, the 100 years, the set is called what? Century years. Okay, so this point is very, very important. So whenever there is a 1900, you are not supposed to divide with 4. You have to divide with 400. Then only this year is leap year or non-leap year, you will come to know. Okay. So every century year, which is a multiple of 400, is a leap year. A century year, which is not divisible by 400, is a non-leap year. Okay, please write down next point. Next point. Every century year, which is a multiple of 400, is a leap year. Is a leap year. Point number 2. A century year which is not divisible by 400 is a non-leap year. Non-leap year. You can take examples. What are the examples? 400, 800, 1200, okay, 1200, 1600 and so on. 1600 and so on. So, these are called century years. Century years. Okay, century years. Next. Write on the side heading, counting the number of odd days. How we are going to count the number of odd days. Okay, number of odd days. Yeah. If you want any day, first you should know this method. Okay. Well, guys, if I ask you directly, first 100 years will have how many odd days? If I ask you this, okay, what is the side heading for our particular thing? Counting the number of odd days. If I ask you, in 100 years will have how many odd days? Okay, so guys, point number 1. This 100 years will have how many leap years and how many non-leap years? That is point number 1. Okay, point number 1. So if you try to figure it out how many leap years and how many non-leap years, okay, so you will get 26 leap years and 24 leap years and 76 non-leap years. Okay, 24 leap years and 76 non-leap years. Some people will get it out. If you divide 100 with 4, sir, I will get coefficient as 25. So there are 25 leap years. But hang on for a moment. 100 is a century year. This is not going to divide with 400. So 100th year is not a leap year. So that's why leap years are 24, non-leap years are 76. After this point, every leap year will have 2 odd days and every non-leap year will have 1 odd day. Okay, so this is what I am calculating the total number of odd days. So 24 into 2. Okay, 24 into 2 how much? 48. plus 76. So if you add these two, how much you are going to get? 124 days. 124 days. But we have in a week, we have days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We have only 7 days. If I say 120, 124 odd days, I can say, but 124th day is which day? I don't know. So whenever you come across the number of days, okay, you come across the number of days, again you are going to divide with what? Always 7. Okay, always 7 to get which day, if you want to know which day. So next, if you divide 124, if you divide 124, if you divide 124 with 7, why I am dividing with 7? Because the number of odd days in a week will consist of, yeah, with what, guys? 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7. Patiently learn. 7 ones are 7. So you left with what? 54. Yes or no? 54. So 7 sevens are 40, and I left with what? 5. So this 5 days are nothing but what? Odd days. These 5 days are nothing but what, guys? Odd days. So I can say, so you can say here there are 17 weeks. There are 17 weeks plus 5 extra days. Okay, so these days are called odd days. These days are called what, guys? Odd days. Odd days. So I want you to understand one more point. Okay, so what we have learned here, 100 years will have 24 leap years and 76 non-leap years. Leap year will consist of 2 odd days, non-leap year will consist of 1 odd day. So total number of days I got 124. So if I calculate that, I got 17 weeks plus 5 days. Okay, 17 complete weeks, 5 extra days. That extra days are called what? 5 days. So whenever there are 100 years, you will get how many odd days? 5 days. So whenever there are 100 years, it will have what? 5 days. So please pause the video and try to write this part. Okay, I hope this is done. After if you learn, after learning this particular point, I got, so years, okay, number of odd days. Number of what? Odd days. Guys, if you closely observe, 100 years will have how many odd days? 5 odd days. But 200 years will have how many odd days? Actually 10 odd days. But again 10 is more than 7, no? Again, so divide 10 with what? 7. Yeah, you can see, it's very simple, but I want you to everybody understand. So I left with what? 3. So whenever someone asks you 200 years will have how many odd days, don't say 10. Always when someone asks you the odd days, it should be less than 7 or equal to 7. Okay, so now you can say that, yeah, 200 years will have how many odd days? 3 odd days. In the same note, 300 years will have how many odd days? Same. 100 years will have 5 odd days, then 300 years will have 15 odd days. But again, 15 is what? More than 7. Okay, so 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14. I left with what? 1. So if someone asks you 300 years will have how many odd days? So 300 years will have how many odd days? 1 odd day. 1 odd day. On the same note, if I ask you 400 years will have how many odd days? Guys, 400 years, see, 100 years will have 5 odd days, then 400 years will have what? 20 odd days. Okay, 20 odd days. Don't take the advantage, don't again 20 is going to divide with 7. No, please be conscious and understand one point. 400th year is a leap year. When 400th year is a leap year, you can get 1 extra odd day. So that is nothing but 400 years will have what? 21 odd days. So if you divide 21 with 7, 7 3 is a 21, you left with what? 0. So 400 years will have what? 0 odd days. 400 years will have what, guys? 0 odd days. So the point is this here. Every 400th year will have 0 odd days. Every 400th year will have 0 odd days. So next 0 odd days will come on 800. next will be 1200, next will be 1600, next will be 2000, next will be 2400. So every 400 years will have 0 odd days. So this is very very important. You will come to know while we solving the question. Okay, when we are solving the question, you will come to know that these type of odd days will come into the picture. Okay, please pause the video and note this particular thing. After this, if we learn few more points like day, day and code, day and code. See, simple. Monday. Okay, Monday. Your code is 1. Whenever you are getting one odd day, that day is Monday. Tuesday. Okay, 2. 3. Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday 3. Next, Thursday is going to be 4. When you are getting 5 as odd days, that day is what? Friday. When you are getting 6, that day is what? Saturday. When you are getting 7, that day is called Sunday. Okay, Sunday. So when you are getting 0, because 7 is going to divide with 7, you are getting what? 0. When you are getting 0, that day is called 7 or 0, that day is called what? Sunday. So these 2 points are very very important. These 2 points are very very important. Okay, these 2 points are very very important. And yeah, whenever we are solving the questions, there is one more thing, because month also will come into the picture. So how many months, guys, I don't want to discuss January, February, March, April, May, June. Whichever the month you take, okay, guys, you will have encounter only these type of days, whether 28 days or 29 days, 30 days or 31 days. Okay, let's say 28 days. 28, when you divide with 7, you will get what? 0. Okay, whenever 28 days, there will be 0 odd days. When there are 29 days, don't write code here. You can write, odd days. Okay, month, and you can write what? Odd days. Okay, you can write what? Odd days. Okay, you can write what, guys? Odd days. Yeah, so 0, 29. So 29 is going to divide with 7. If 28 is dividing with 7, you are getting what? 1. 28 with 0, so 29 will be 1. 30 will be what? 7 4 is 28, so you will left with what? 2. So 31 will be 3. Okay, so these 3 are very very important while solving the questions. Okay, so you will encounter months only. These months only you are going to get. Okay, so you will get these years, 100 years, 200 years, 400. After 400, the cycle goes repeats. Yeah, so these are the codes, and these are the months, and these are the odd days. So please pause the video and try to write here and try to write all these things. Okay, all these things. We'll start little questions. Yeah, so the total. Yeah. Okay, so now, so write down a question. We'll see some examples. Write down a question. If you are born on 14th April 1992, which was a Sunday, then on which day of the week does your birthday fall in 1993? 1993. Your options are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday. Okay, so let's see the solution. 14th April, okay, 14th April 1992 to when he's asking for next year. So 14th April 1993. Guys, if you closely look at here, it's exactly 1 year. Yes or no? So 1 year. Are you getting my point? So here there are, if you count, you will get 365 days. Hence, the number of odd days from 14th April 1992 to 14th April 1993 is what? You will get only one odd day. Yes or no? You will get only one odd day. Okay, you will get only one odd day. So one odd day means, you will get one extra day. So that is nothing but if this is a Sunday. Okay, if this is Sunday, so plus 1 day extra. So Sunday plus 1, that will give you what? Monday. Okay, so that will give you what? Monday. So answer for this question is what? Monday. Answer for this question is what? Monday. You can look at here, guys. When this date is after, you can say, sir, 1992 is a leap year, we'll get 2 odd days. Guys, listen, you need to understand one logic point here. 1992 is a leap year, but if you closely observe, this is April. If before February and after February, there are 2 points. Okay, so please kindly look into the question, and you are able to solve your questions very easily. Okay, so answer for this question is what, guys? Monday. Okay, next. Write down next question. If 1st January 1992 is a Tuesday, if 1st Jan 1992 is a Tuesday, then on which day of the week? Then on which day of the week will 1st Jan 1993 fall? Okay, 1st Jan 1993 will fall. Yeah, that is the logic. Okay, so 1st January 1992. Guys, if you closely look at the question, since 1992 is what? A leap year. Yes or no? When 1992 is a leap year, exactly after 1 year I want. Okay, so a leap year will consist of how many odd days? 2 odd days. Yes or no? 2 odd days. When a leap year will consist of 2 odd days means when this is a Tuesday, okay, when this is a Tuesday, so you need to add plus 2 days to that. So Tuesday plus 1 Wednesday plus 1 will going to be Thursday. Okay, hence you can say 1992 is a leap year, so you need to add 2 because this is January only, the first day of that particular year. So add 2. So plus 2 will give you what? You will that will give you what? Your answer. Plus 2 days. So Thursday is going to be our answer. Okay, I hope everybody clear with this particular question. Okay, tell me. Yeah, write down next question. Write down next question. Write down next question. If 1st April, if first April, if 1st April 2003 was Monday, 1st April 2003 was Monday, then which day of the week will be? Which day of the week will be week will be 25th December of the same year. Of the same year. Same year. Okay. Same year. If 1st April 2003 was Monday, then which day of the week will be 25th December of the same year? Okay. Of the same year. So guys, whenever you come across, these type of questions, okay, so 1st April is saying, okay, 1st April of that particular year is saying, okay, so whenever 1st April, okay, so April is completed, that day is a Monday. April is completed, guys? No. So when April is not completed, and you need to tell me in April how many days will be there. Okay, the fingertips, right? January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June. June how many days? June will have 30. Yes or no? July 31. No, no, no. June also will have 31. July. July is going to be what? 30. August 31. Like that it's going to continue. So you can say May will have 31. June also will have 31. Okay, May will have 31. June also will have 31 days. So then how to tackle this question? So after this particular year, after April 21st, in April there are 29 days plus. The next month is going to be April, May 30. Yeah, I'm sorry. June will have 30 days. Yeah, July will have 31. And August also will have 31. Okay, September 30, October 31. Okay, November 30 and December. On December, which date you want? 25th. 25th. Okay. So if you add all the days, you will get 268 days. You will get what? 268 days. And this 268, if you want the day, you have to divide with what? 7. If you divide with 7, you will get 38 plus 2 odd days will come. Okay, 38 plus 2 odd days will come, because 7 3 is a 21. Okay, 7 3 is a 21. You left with 5. Okay, 7 8 is you are going to get like this. Okay, so hence 25th December is what? 2 days after. 25th December is what? 2 days after Monday. Okay, 2 days after Monday. So which means that day is called Wednesday. That day is called Wednesday. So simple. So after 1st April, how many days are there? You need to find out and write the number of days. Okay, write the number of days, and you have to divide with what? 7, and figure it out the number of odd days. You can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. On which day of the week does 15th August 1947 fall? On which day of the week does 15th August, Independence Day, 15th August 1947. Okay, 1947. Which day of this, this will fall? Okay, guys, please be patient and please explore the method. Okay, please explore the method. Okay, 1947. Sometimes he'll give like this, how you are going to do. Okay, first, point number one, always, whenever he is giving like this, point number one, take the completed years. Take the completed years. Because 1947 is completed? No. So you have to take only 1946. Okay, that is point number one. Point number two, after taking 1946, you need to understand one more point. Guys, till 1946, okay, how many odd days are there? You cannot count like first year will have one odd day, second year will have two odd days, fourth year is a leap year, will have two odd days. No, if you are doing like that, you will be gone. So next, you have to figure it out till which year you know the zero odd days. Till which year you know the zero odd days. So you can split this as 1900 plus 46. Further, you can split this as 1600 plus 300. The 46 I usually come here. Why I am writing 1600 and 300? Because multiples of 400 will have 0 odd days. Okay, so you have to think which multiple is near to this value, and that you have to split that particular year according to like this. So 1600 will have how many odd days? 0 odd days. 300 will have how many odd days? You have chart 1 odd day. So now the crucial part is 46. Okay, in this 46 years, it may be there are some leap years and some non-leap years. Okay, so you need to figure it out how many leap years and how many non-leap years. Okay, so divide the 46 with what? 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, I left with 6, 4 ones are 4, I left with 2. So forget about this, there are 11 leap years. Okay, and 35 non-leap years. Okay, there are 11 leap years and 35 non-leap years. Okay, so leap year will consist of how many odd days? Leap year will consist of how many odd days? 11 2s are 22 plus 35 into 2. That will give you what? 11 2s are 22 plus 35 2s are 70. Yes or no? So total you can say 70, 90, 92. Total there are 93 odd days. Total there are 93 odd days. See how simply we can calculate it. Okay, so 1996, 1900 plus 46, so 1600 plus 300 plus 46. So 1600 will have 0 odd days, 300 will have 1 odd day. So 46. In that 46, there are some leap years and there are some non-leap years. You can say there are 11 leap years. Okay, 11 leap years. So remaining will be non-leap years. So in 46, 11 is gone. So 35. 35 plus 11, 46 only. 40, yes, 46. So leap year will have 2 odd days. Sorry, 35. Yeah, this is where we are doing wrong. Yeah, normal year will have only 1 odd day, no? So into 1, so that is nothing but plus 35 only. I am sorry. Okay, plus 35 only. Okay, so plus 30. Overside I have written, 2. So 35 plus 22, 30, 50, 57. Plus, 1 extra day will be there. So I will calculate till here 57. So total odd days, total odd days till years. Okay, till years is what? 57 plus 1, that will give you 58. That will give you what, guys? 58. Now, but till 1946 I have calculated, but I have to know in the till 15th August I want. So now take the months. January 31 means what? 3. February, take a pause. Think 1947 is a leap year. No, it's a non-leap year. Non-leap year will have 0 odd days. March means 3. April 2. May 3. June 3. July 3. And August I want. In August, yeah, which day I want? 15th day. Okay, 15th day. So add all the numbers. Okay, add all the numbers. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So 26. 26. 29, 32. So here total I am getting what? 32. So the total number of odd days, okay, the total number of odd days, the total number of odd days will become, let me add one more time, 18 plus 2, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32. Okay, so 52 plus 32, that will give you 80, 84 odd days. 84 odd days. Now you have to divide this. Let me do it here. 84. You have to divide with what? 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7. 1, 4, 7 twos are 14. Okay, 7 twos are 14. 14 means what, guys? 0. 0 means what? Sunday. You can go to Google and check. 15th August 1947 is what, guys? Sunday. Okay, Sunday. Okay, so the method is very simple. So you can go back, we'll do few questions. We'll do few questions based on this particular concept. Okay, on the same note, we'll do few more questions. Okay, yeah, so that the job is very easy. Point number 1. Let me explain one more time. Point number 1. Okay, point number 1. So, I hope you understood this. Let me take the same question and let me do it in a second way, the method 2, how we can solve it very easily, instead of, calculating all this particular stuff, how we can solve it very easily. Okay, now look at the second method of solving. I want 15th August, okay, 15th August 1947. 1947, okay, 1947 I want. So whenever if you want this particular day, let's look at here. So 15th is 08, no? So first is what? Take the completed years, 1947. And you have to split this as what? Your known years. So I know 1600 plus 300 plus 46. I'm sorry, you have to take completed years, no? 46. Okay, 0 odd days plus 1 odd day. Hang on for a moment. Whether it is leap year or no, guys, think about it. Leap year will have 1 odd day. Non-leap year will have 2 odd days. Okay, so this 46 years definitely will have 46 odd days. Plus some extra days will come. Okay, how many leap years are there? So those many leap years will come. Yes or no? So how many leap years are there? If you divide 46 with 4, okay, 11 fours are 44. Okay, so there are, you can see there are 11 what? Extra 11 days will come. So if you add all these, again you will come to that value only. Okay, so look at here, 40, 50, 58. If you look at there also you will get 58 only. But no need of writing 58 also here. Okay, no need of writing 58 also here. Why? This is where your maths will come into the picture. We are dividing finally our leap years with what? 7. Why can't you divide here? Yes or no? 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. If 42 is gone, I left with 40 here, 4. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. If you divide with 16, you will get what? 2. So I can say with the years I have 2 odd days. With the year I have 2 odd days. 2 odd days. Okay. Next, I need to come to with what? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, odd days 3 here. February is a leap year, no. So 0, March 3, April 2, next is what? May 3, June 2, July 3, August. I want in the August. So which day you want, take the date only. Okay, which day you want, take the date only. Look at here. 3 plus 3, 6. You can write 2 as 1 plus 1. 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Gone. Look at here. 3 plus 3 plus 1. How much? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. With, remove the multiples of 7s. Now look at here. 7 twos are. 7 twos are how much, guys? 7 twos are 14. I left with what here? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Yeah, I am getting here what? 5. 5 means which day? Friday. Okay. 5 means which day, guys? Friday. Okay. 5 means which day? Friday. Okay. Friday I am going to get here. So answer for this question is what? Friday. Okay. So we'll adapt this method and try to solve, we'll take more number of years. 18th April. Let's say this is a 18th April, okay, 1994. I want to figure it out this. First step, take the completed years, 1993. Okay, completed. I hope in the previous question we have done some wrong. So please check it out there. Yeah, 1993. Take the completed years, 1600 plus 300 plus 93. Okay, 0 plus 1. Whether it is a leap year or non-leap year, I will have 93 odd days. But in 93 odd days, how many leap years I have? So divide with 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay, 1 and 3. So again, 4 2s are, 4 3s are 12. Yes or no? 4 3s are 12. So there are 23 leap years. Okay, there are 23 leap years. Okay, so add this. Okay, so 24 and 93. Okay, add all the numbers. So 94 plus 23. But the 7 multiples, no? 7 3s are 21. You left with 2. Please cancel here. 7 1s are 7. I left with 2. Okay, 7 1s are 7. I left with 2. 7 3s are 21. I left with 3. So 3 plus 2 is what, guys? 5 odd days. 5 odd days. But come to April 18th. Okay, April 18th. January 3. February. Wait a minute. 94 is a leap year? No. 0. March 3. April. In April, which day you want? 18. Okay. So multiples of 7 remove. So you will get what? 4. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7. Again, you left with here is what? 3. So 3. Here you got 3 odd days. Here you got 5 odd days. So 5 plus 3 is what? 8. If you divide with 7, you will get what? 1. 1 day means what? 1 odd day means what, guys? Monday. 1 odd day means what? 1 day. Okay, 1 odd day means what, guys? Monday. Okay. You can take your date of birth and you can solve it. You can take any date. Okay, you can take any date. Let's say 1st April 2001 is which day? Okay, 1st April 2001 is which day? This is very easy. Why this is easy? Look at here. I want when 2001. So completed years are what? 2000. Okay. I know 2000 year will have 0 odd days. No. Okay, I need to figure it out only this thing. January 3, January, February. 2001 is a leap year? No. So 0. March is what? 3. April. In April, which day you want? 1. Okay, so 3 plus 3 plus 1 is what? 7. There are total 7 days. 7 days means what? Sunday. Okay, 7 days means what, guys? Sunday. Okay, 7 days means what? Sunday. Okay. If you want, 9th April, okay, 9th April 2020 you want. 9th April 2020 you want. So how we are going to do this? Completed years 2019. How you are going to write this? 2000 plus 19. Okay, 2000 will have 0 odd days. 19. So in 19 years there are some, whether it is leap year or normal year, you will get 19 odd days. So divide with 4. 9 4s are 16. So plus 4. Okay, 19 plus 4 is how much, guys? 19 plus 4 is what? 23. Again, if you divide 23 with 7, you will get what? 2. 2 odd days. Here I got 2 odd days. You should be very fast. 4th April I want. January is what? 3. April is what? Sorry. February is what? You have to check. 2020 is a leap year? Yes. So that's why add 1. March. March is what, guys? 3. April. In April, which day you want? 9th you want. Okay, 9th you want. So look at here. 3 plus 1, 7 gone. If I divide with 7, I left with what? 2. So finally I left with 2 odd days here, 2 odd days here. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. So 4 means which day? Thursday. 4 means which day? Thursday. Okay, 4 means which day? Thursday. Like we can calculate any value. You know, if I want, you know, second March, you know, I want 0203 2000, let's say 2200 I want this, you know, which day I want, I don't know. But look at here, guys, how to figure out this value? Yeah, point number 1, take the completed years. So 2000, you know, 199 you have to take. Yes or no? 2199 you have to take. How we are going to split this? 2000 plus 100 plus 99. Okay, so 2000 will have how many? 0. 100 years will have 5 odd days. And 99 years. So 99 years will have how many? Leap years. Divide with 4. 2s are 8. I left with 19, 4s are 16. So 99 odd days will be there, plus 24 extra days will come. Yes or no? So if you add all these values, you can take the multiples of 7 as well. Okay, multiples of 7 also, that will help you. Look at here. Okay, if you are getting it out, you know, don't add it, you know, but you can split this as 70 plus 29, no? Yes or no? You can split this as what? 70 plus 29. You can split this as what? 21 plus 3. And you can split this as what? 4 plus 1. 4, 3, 7 gone. 21 gone. 70 gone. Again, you can split this as what? 28 plus 1. 28 gone. So I left with what? 2. That's how you should be quick. Okay. Remove all the multiples of 7. Okay, am I correct? 5, 4 plus 1, 99, 70 plus 29. Again 29, 28 plus 1, 24, 21 plus 3, 21, 28, 70, 4 plus 3, 7. Yeah, 1 plus 1. So I got, see how quickly I got 2 odd days. You know, if you add all the numbers, divide with 7, you know, it will take a lot of time, friends. Okay, a lot of time it will take. So I got 2 odd days. Okay, and which day I want? 2nd March. So January, 3 odd days. April, hang on, 2200 is a leap year? Yes, it's a leap year. So February is what? 1 odd day. March, in March, which day you want to? So 7 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 divided with 7, you will get what? 1 odd day. 1 odd day means what? 1 odd day means what? That day is going to be what? Monday. That day is going to be what, guys? Monday. Okay, that day is going to be what? Monday. Okay, so this is how, you know, you can answer your questions. Okay, this is how, you know, you can answer your questions. I know sometimes they'll ask you repetition of the calendar. Okay, sometimes people will ask you repetition of the calendars. Okay, how you are going to solve this particular question, we'll see now. Okay. Now see the question based on repetition of the calendar. Okay. Yeah. So write on the question. Which year will have the same calendar as that of 2005? as that of 2005. As that of 2005. Okay, so whenever you come across these type of situation, so please write down what are the years 2005. So guys, you need to figure it out, guys. When you will get the 0 odd days, you will get that year is going to be the same calendar will appear. Look at here, 2005 will have 2005 is a leap year. 2005 is a leap year. Yeah, 2005 is a leap year. No, so 2005 will have how many odd days? One. Next, 2006. Yeah, you are checking 2006 is a leap year. No, so this is also one. 2007 is a leap year. No, one. 2008 is a leap year. One. Now wait, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Okay, whenever the exact 7 is come, that is going to be a leap year. Okay, the same calendar will come. 2009 is a 1. 2010 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2011, how much you are getting? 1. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yeah, but look at here, wait a minute, yeah, I did a mistake. So 2 here. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2010 is what? 1. 1 means total you are getting what? Summa is what, guys? 7. Summa is what? 7. When you are getting 7, the same calendar will appear. So 2005, whatever the calendar is there, the same calendar will have for 2010. Okay, 2010. 2010. Okay, the same calendar will have for 2000. Yeah, sorry, guys, till 2010 I got 7. Okay, so the next year, so 2011. Okay, the 2011 will have the same calendar as that of 2005. The 0 odd days will completed here. 7 divided by 7, you will get what? 0 odd days. So that's why 2011 will have the same calendar. 2007 will have the same calendar. Okay, so let's go to the next question. What day of the week? April 18th April 1901. Okay, so how we are going to write this? So first you need to take what, guys? Completed years. 1900. So that's going to be 1600 plus what? 300. Okay, 0 odd days. 300 will have 1 odd day. Yes or no? Okay, 1 odd day. So you need when? So you have to take January 3. February is what? February 28. Yes, 0. March 3. April you have to take what? 18. Okay, so till years I have only 1 odd day, but you know the method. So remove the 7 multiples, you will get what? 4 year. Okay, 4 plus 3 7 gone. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So 4 means what? 4 means what? Thursday. 4 means what? Thursday. Okay, guys, 4 means what? Thursday. Okay, 4 means what? Thursday. Guys, we'll see. We'll take the same calendar question once again. 2005, the same calendar will repeat on which year? Okay, so look at here. So 2005 is a leap year. So when you are going to get the same calendar, when you will get the 0 number of odd days, the next year will be the same calendar will appear. So, but you have to take from 2005. 2005 is a leap year. No, you will have one. How many odd days? 1. 2006 is a leap year. No, 1 odd day. 2007 is a leap year. No, 1 odd day. 2008 is a leap year. Yes, 2 odd days. 2009 is a leap year. No, 1 odd day. 2010 is a leap year. Yes, 1 odd day. Look at it. Add all these values till when you have to get 7 exactly. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So here you are getting what? The total number of odd days from 2005 to 2010 are how many? 7, which means what? 0. Okay, 0 odd days. 0 odd days. So the point is here. Hence, 2011 will have the same calendar of 2005. Okay, that will have the same calendar of what? 2005. Okay, 2005. We'll see the same similar kind of question. Okay, we'll see the similar kind of question. Yeah. If I ask you, if I ask you, if I ask you the question, uh, uh, which of the following here will have the same calendar of 2002? Okay, 2002. 2002. Yeah. I hope you'll understand from here. So 2002. 2002, which calendar will have the same calendar like 2002? Okay, 2002. Now look at here. 2002 is a leap year? No. So 1. 2003 is a leap year? No. 1. 2004 is a leap year? 2. 2005 is a leap year? 1. Okay. 2006 is a leap year? No. So 1. So 1. Look at here. How much you are getting here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2007 is a leap year. 2007 is a leap year, friends. No, 2007 is not a leap year. Yes or no? Okay, 2007 is not a leap year. So 2007 will have how many odd days? Yeah. So 2001, 1, 2003, 1, 2004, 2, 2005, 1, 2006, what? 1, 2007 is what? 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah. So 2008. Okay. Yeah, but guys, look at here. People think that 2008 is the same calendar will have. But hang on for a moment. Yes, you got your answer 7 odd days. Perfect. Okay, but think about it. When there are 7 odd days, the 2002 and 2008 will have the same calendar. But ask yourself a question. 2008 is a leap year. When there is a leap year in February, there are 29 days. But in 2002, you will get 29 days? No. So means the cycle goes continue. So 2 odd days. Okay. Next, 2009, 1 odd day. 2010. Okay, 2010, you have 1 odd day. Okay, are you getting my point? So that's where people will get confused and they end up with the wrong answer. Okay, 2008 they'll put, but 2008 is your answer? No, 2008 February 29 you'll have, but that February 29 will not have in 2002. So 11 1, 12 1, 13 1. Okay, 13 1. Now look at here, add all the numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 14 means what? 0 odd days. Now think about 2014. Okay, 2014 is a leap year? No. So the same calendar. So 2002, which is the same calendar you will have in where? 2014. Guys, I'm telling you, 2008 will not have the same calendar because the 2008 is a leap year. Okay, so leap years will have the leap years, the same calendar repetition. Normal years will have the normal year, same calendar repetition. So you need to take till when you are getting, which is the multiple of all the sevens. Means you need to get simply 0 odd days. When you will get 0 odd days, when you will get a multiples of 7 and 14, then only you are going to get what? 0 odd days. So that's point. That is very, very important point you need to understand. Okay, you need to understand. That is one of the important point that you have to encounter in the particular exams. Okay, let's we'll do one more question. Okay, one more question. Okay, if this is a question, which year will have the same calendar? 1984. 1984. Okay, which year will have the same calendar? 1984. Yes, people used to write 1984 two odd days, 1985 one odd day. Stop there. First point, check whether that particular year leap year or non-leap year. When you come encounter if the same calendar, if you want for the leap year, plus directly add 28 years. Okay, directly add what? 28 years. So 1984 plus 28, that will give you 2, 1, 0, 1. You will get what? 2002. You will get what? 2002. Okay, 2012. Yeah, 2012, not 2. 2012. Okay, so 1984, the same calendar you will have when? 2012. So I am telling blindly, whenever you are getting, if you want the same calendar for leap year, add 8 into that, add 8 into that. Okay, so that's how you can get your answer. Okay, so point number 1. So we have seen all the types of questions in this particular concept, right from the number of odd days, okay, and what is the years and days code and day code. Okay, so if you good with that particular all the concepts, you will end your answers. So this is one of the important topic in all the competitive exams. So please try to learn this concept, so this will help you a lot. So thanks for being in my session, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.